Please welcome Executive Vice President, Oracle Analytics, TK Anand.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all enjoying Oracle CloudWorld. I'm TK Anand. I lead the analytics team at Oracle. I'm excited to be here and share with you some of the cool new innovations in Oracle Analytics. Now, before I get into the new innovations, I thought we might start with some of the awesome capabilities that are already available in Oracle Analytics that you might not be aware of. Did you know that you can explore data and create dashboards in Oracle Analytics within minutes? Let's take a look.
Oracle Analytics dashboards are about more than just tracking business performance, as they provide powerful data exploration capabilities. You can choose from a wide variety of data visualizations that are built into the product. By simply dragging and dropping data model elements from the pane on the left, users can quickly build a dashboard combining simple and sophisticated data visualizations. These charts enable people to see patterns in the data, such as trends, outliers, and clusters, that they might have otherwise missed. Cross-filtering, where selecting an element in one chart impacts the others, means easily being able to see data from multiple perspectives quickly. If you have a particular or specialized chart that's key to your organization, you can easily add custom data visualizations too.
Did you know that you can build rich interactive infographics with Oracle Analytics that can tell you powerful, engaging stories about your data? Let's check it out.
Telling stories with data is key to becoming a data-driven organization. Oracle Analytics supports the easy creation of the types of infographics that people are used to seeing in the media. In this case, the data story is about wine, but it could be about the quarter's regional sales or your organization's progress on its strategic goals. Infographics are a powerful way to engage your decision makers with data and analytics.
Did you know that you can ask questions of your data in natural language and get back answers in the form of dashboards and visualizations? Let's take a look.
Imagine you want to know revenue by product and country. With Oracle Analytics, you can just ask, and not just in English. You can ask questions of your data in 28 different languages. As you'd expect, the answers are returned in the form of dashboards and data visualizations. Not only that, but Oracle Analytics also generates natural language answers in the form of written narratives. This helps explain data insights to people who are less used to reading charts.
Did you know that Oracle Analytics Mobile gives you quick access to your analytics on your phone or tablet, and it can even tell you interesting stories about your data? Let's check it out.
With the Oracle Analytics mobile app, users can open and interact with all their great analytics cloud content, which is automatically optimized for a mobile experience. All the interactivity from the browser is available on your phone or tablet. Additionally, Oracle Analytics' mobile podcasts tell the story of your data for you.
Welcome to your Oracle Analytics update. Let's start by looking at streaming service revenue from September 2021 to October 2022. Over this period, the monthly revenue fluctuated between 1.9 and...
All right, so that was just a quick tour of some of the awesome capabilities that are already available in Oracle Analytics today, just to get you guys juiced up. So now let's get back to the basics. So what is Oracle Analytics? It's a suite of products that are designed to enable business transformation through the power of data by turning data into insights and insights into action. How do we do this? Firstly, we exploit the power of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure to consume and manage all types of data at scale. Next, we offer rich, interactive user experiences for business users and IT professionals to visualize, explore, and share data. We're increasingly using AI, machine learning, and natural language processing to automate the process of analyzing data, extracting insight, and taking action. And finally, we're integrating analytics into our line of business applications so that business users can take data-driven decisions right within their everyday business processes and workflows. Oracle Analytics is now integrated with every major product and channel at Oracle. This includes SaaS analytics solutions for our Fusion, NetSuite, and industry applications. For customers who want to build a custom analytics solution, we offer a platform that runs natively in OCI, but customers can also deploy the platform on premises or in other clouds. This really is the best analytics solution for the Oracle Cloud, whether you're an applications customer, an infrastructure customer, or both. So here's the Oracle Analytics product suite. Oracle Analytics Cloud is our completely managed platform as a service that runs within OCI. Oracle Analytics Server is a sibling to OAC. It's an analytics platform for customers who want an on-premises solution. Fusion Analytics is a SaaS analytics offering for our Fusion cloud applications, namely ERP, HCM, supply chain, and customer experience. And NetSuite Analytics is our SaaS analytics offering for our NetSuite customers. Both Fusion Analytics and NetSuite Analytics run on top of our core platform technologies, namely Oracle Analytics Cloud and the Autonomous Data Warehouse. Oracle Analytics Cloud is a complete analytics platform that serves the needs of all users, workloads, and data in your organization. OAC brings together all of the capabilities of governed analytics for IT, self-service analytics for business users, and AI-powered augmented analytics, all together in a single, integrated, and secure platform. If you look out there in the market, you'll find analytics vendors that focus on governed analytics, analytics vendors that focus on self-service, and you might find some startups that are trying to innovate in the space of augmented analytics. We believe that these are all just features and capabilities of an enterprise analytics platform, and that's the approach we've taken with OAC. OAC is an open platform. That means it can consume data from applications and databases that run in the Oracle Cloud, in third-party clouds, or even on-premises systems. OAC offers a rich workbench of capabilities that power the end-to-end analytics workflow, all the way from connecting to a data source, preparing, transforming, and modeling the data, exploring the data to find insights, sharing insights with other users, and then consuming insights and taking action. OAC is powerful enough for developers and IT professionals to build sophisticated analytics solutions, but it also offers a simple and intuitive user experience for business users to explore their data and build reports and dashboards quickly. Oracle Analytics Server is a sibling of OAC. It is a modern analytics platform for customers who want to deploy their analytics solution on premises or in any IaaS environment. Oracle has a large install base of OBIE customers, and our message to you is simple. If you're ready to move to the cloud, you can migrate your OBIE instance to OAC. But if you want to stay on premises, you can simply upgrade your OBIE instance to OAS. And best of all, with an active support agreement, your upgrade to OAS comes at no cost. You already own it. If you want to run a hybrid solution where some of your analytics assets are running in the cloud and some run on premises, you can do that as well with OAC and OAS. It's all about choice. Move to the cloud on your own terms. The Oracle Analytics team has been hard at work over the past year. We've rolled out hundreds of new features and capabilities via OAC cloud updates. And we also package up all of these features and capabilities and put out an annual release of OAS, typically in the first quarter of every year. All right, now let's talk about some of the cool new innovations in OAC that we're announcing at CloudWorld. We'll start with the consumer experience. So in a few months, we're going to roll out a number of improvements, design improvements, and features that are designed to make our users a lot more productive in monitoring, exploring, and acting on their data. Collectively, we call this the new consumer experience. Let's take a look.
The Oracle Analytics homepage is the destination for analytic consumers and analysts to find, navigate, and create analytic content. It includes direct access to workbooks, dashboards, and reports, as well as searching using natural language in order to find the right assets and data faster. Watch lists are a new addition, which are a collection of live insights that provide users a glance into what's happening into their business. Any visual from any workbook can appear in a watch list, including our new composite visuals, which offer an effective way to include business metrics, goals, and trends across any chart. Watch lists also allow users to organize their insights around a subject matter, application teams, or any other concept that will benefit them. The visuals can be explored directly from the homepage or by jumping into a dashboard that contains them. By using a new way that organizes data as key metrics, related measures, or attributes, we can quickly add more details or context to any visualization. And just like any other visualization from the dashboard, it can be easily added to an existing homepage watch list, or users can create a new one.
Oracle Analytics has always been at the forefront of augmented analytics with AI-powered capabilities such as Ask and Explain. Auto Insights takes this to the next level by automatically analyzing all your data sets using ML algorithms and offering insights with zero input from the business user. Let's check it out.
It's time to shine light on the most interesting and important insights in your data. Oracle Analytics proactively analyzes any data set that is loaded with Auto Insights. Auto Insights is the beacon that illuminates a series of visualizations that it discovers for business users. By simply clicking on the light bulb icon, business users are given insights into their data like never before. Auto Insights provides a set of visualizations which are accompanied by a textual description breaking down the key trends identified across the entire data set. Users can then choose which visualizations and explanations are most important to them and add them onto their canvas, while still expecting the same interactivity as they would with any other visualization they've created. Plan to make changes to the original data set, like adding a custom calculation or blending in additional data? No problem. Auto Insights is adaptable and will refresh its pattern detection process to ensure all modifications are included and all new insights are illuminated for the user. With a flip of a switch, you can go from a blank canvas to a fully populated dashboard, thanks to our light bulb moment of Auto Insights.
Oracle Analytics integrates with the machine learning and advanced analytics capabilities in the Oracle database at a deep level that no other BI tool can match. We're taking that same approach and expanding it to the sophisticated AI services that are available in OCI, such as language, speech, vision, anomaly detection, and forecasting. For example, many organizations have unstructured data in the form of pictures and images. Using the OCI Vision service, OAC can now extract information from these images that can then be used for downstream analysis. Let's take a look.
The efficient and simple architecture of OCI Vision can be integrated and deployed into Oracle Analytics easily. This cloud-native AI service allows customers to uncover insights in images powered by deep learning models. By running a data flow in Oracle Analytics, users can quickly access their images saved within an object storage bucket in Oracle Cloud. With a single click on any image, Oracle Analytics will tell what object it is and to what confidence level the AI model identifies it to be. For instance, here we have an image of a recognizable industry leader, and the detected objects include a man, a human face, and clothing. With pre-built models available out of the box, developers can easily build image and text recognition into their applications without having machine learning expertise. For industry-specific use cases, these models can be used to detect visual anomalies in manufacturing, extract text from documents to automate business workflows, and tag items in images to count products or shipments. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and insights into that picture are even more valuable thanks to OCI Vision's integration with Oracle Analytics.
The Oracle Analytics semantic model enables developers to model enterprise data, add business semantics and security, and provide business users with intuitive experiences for visualizing and exploring data. Today, we're announcing a brand new developer experience for semantic models. This is an awesome web-based development tool that allows teams to collaboratively build and deploy semantic models at enterprise scale. This is a code-first experience, so the tool generates SMML code. SMML stands for Semantic Model Markup Language. And this code can be managed in source control along with the rest of your application code. Let's check it out.
With Oracle Analytics Cloud and Semantic Modeling Markup Language, you can create a powerful browser-based semantic model which acts as a translation layer between your application and your underlying data structures. The semantic model maps complex data in a business-friendly way. At its core, it consists of a business model with related physical and presentation objects, which make the data more understandable to the business user. Using a diagram, we can see the complex data relationships represented as joins between the physical tables. These are mapped into a business model in the logic layer as fact and corresponding dimension tables. Within the semantic modeler, you're provided a lineage view of the relationships between the semantic layers at both the table and a column level. This means that relationships are easy to comprehend. The semantic modeler has the ability to integrate with any Git-compatible repository such as GitHub, which enables multiple users and teams to develop semantic models simultaneously. Oracle Analytics offers a wide range of capabilities that provide both governed and self-service analytics. The backbone of these capabilities is an intelligent query engine that provides centralized data access, handles calculations, and enables data governance by creating a pipeline through which anyone can consume information specific to their role across the enterprise. The query engine powers data visualizations, dashboards, ad hoc queries, mobile access, enterprise reporting, and data flows. The brain behind this query engine is a conceptual data model defined in terms of business semantics, a true semantic model.
Oracle Analytics Cloud runs in OCI, which includes a comprehensive data lakehouse platform that gives our customers the flexibility to manage all types of data at scale. You can use the Autonomous Data Warehouse or MySQL HeatWave to manage your structured relational data. You can store your unstructured data in object storage. And you can run queries that span all types of data, build machine learning models using the data science service, explore the data and analyze it using OAC, or even build custom applications on top. Today, I'm excited to introduce a new addition to the OCI Data Lakehouse platform, namely the Golden Gate Stream Analytics service. While OAC and ADW are awesome at analyzing data at rest, Golden Gate Stream Analytics enables you to analyze data in motion, extract insights in real time, and take immediate action. For example, you could analyze sensor data that comes out of your factory floor, detect, maybe even predict equipment failure, and take immediate corrective action. There are a number of other use cases for real-time analytics, such as credit card fraud detection, real-time securities trading, etc. Ever since we introduced MySQL HeatWave in OCI last year, we've seen a ton of customer interest. And we've added a number of new features and capabilities into this service. First of all, the HeatWave engine enables blazing fast analytics queries from tools like OAC. We've also added machine learning capabilities by enabling in-database model creation and training. And now we're introducing new Lakehouse capabilities in MySQL HeatWave, wherein you can ingest CSV and Parquet files from object storage into the HeatWave engine, and then query across both structured and unstructured data. Oh, and did I forget to mention, MySQL HeatWave is now not only available in OCI, it's also available in AWS and Microsoft Azure. All right. I've shown you a lot of technology, Oracle Analytics Cloud, the Lakehouse, Autonomous Database, and so forth. Let's take a look at how all of this technology can come together to solve a real-world problem. This is the world of sports analytics.
Well, if you're just joining us, getting home from work. Without space, it's hard to score.
To the end of the penalty area, shot. Oh! It's in off the post! Super build-up play.
There's a lot of research being done on space to create a goal-scoring opportunity. That's when we chose to move to the cloud. And that's where OCI comes into the picture. We knew at that point that our infrastructure wouldn't hold up for what we want to do with the tracking data. We needed something where we can scale up and scale down as we need because of the sheer size of it, and also the processing power we need to run anything on it, like this line break project.
Now, Smith rolling in the middle, found rolled.
A line breaking pass is when I'm passing to my teammate and there are two defenders in between us. When I pass the ball, it breaks the imaginary line between the two defenders.
Smith rolling in the middle, found rolled.
You are taking a couple of defenders out of the play to create a goal-scoring opportunity.
Smith rolling in the middle, found rolled.
Since then, we've gotten to understand who are the most dangerous players in terms of who creates more space through breaking lines. It's been great.
Dynamite on his left foot, and he strikes it.
With Oracle, we're seamlessly pushing in data every week and running the same processes and reports on top of them. This is our first time migrating to the cloud, and we definitely needed some hand-holding. From day one, it felt like this is a group we want to collaborate with.
And Rui Diaz, and still Rui Diaz. That's a terrific goal.
I love how Oracle Analytics and OCI Data Lakehouse are helping my hometown Seattle Sounders get that competitive edge. Now, I'd like to shift gears and talk about our application analytics products. Fusion Analytics Warehouse is a turnkey analytics solution for our Fusion Cloud applications. It automatically moves all of your Fusion application data into an autonomous data warehouse. It provides a highly curated semantic model in OAC, along with pre-built analytics content that you can use right away. Fusion Analytics Warehouse also allows you to bring external data into the warehouse and extend the semantic model, build your own custom reports and dashboards, etc. It really is the best of both worlds, SaaS and PaaS. It's a SaaS solution because you can get started with exploring your Fusion application data with minimal development effort. But it's also a PaaS solution because it includes a powerful platform that allows you to customize the solution to meet your business needs. Fusion Analytics has been in market for a few years now, and because it's a SaaS service, we put out new features and capabilities every quarter in the form of a cloud update. Fusion Analytics includes a number of subject areas, KPIs, business metrics, reports, and dashboards. These were all built for specific user personas in your organization. These include finance managers, accountants, inventory managers in your supply chain team, people managers or diversity leads in your HR department, or sales campaign managers. At CloudWorld, we're excited to announce the general availability of a number of new subject areas, such as project management for ERP, diversity and payroll analytics for HCM, and revenue intelligence for CX. So all this out-of-box analytics content is great, but what makes Fusion Analytics special is the underlying platform that enables a number of extensibility and customization use cases. First of all, you can use any ETL tool to bring external data into the data warehouse. To make that even easier, we now offer a feature called Managed Data Pipelines, where Fusion Analytics will manage the data pipeline for bringing that external data. This feature currently supports a few data sources such as Salesforce, EBS, PeopleSoft, and others. And we're working with customers to get their feedback, and we'll be adding more and more capabilities over time. Once you bring that external data into the data warehouse, you can obviously put it in a custom schema But you can also extend the out-of-box semantic model, add custom KPIs, business metrics. You can build your own custom reports and dashboards. You can even define custom security to meet your business needs. Some customers have told us that they have existing OAC environments that they would like to converge with Fusion Analytics so that their users have a single pane of glass. So the OAC consolidation feature enables you to merge the semantic model from OAC, an external OAC instance, into the Fusion Analytics OAC instance, and also merge the analytics catalog from that external instance. And finally, the bundles feature lets you package up all of the customizations and extensions in a Fusion Analytics environment and then move it to another environment. So this really helps with lifecycle management. So when you have dev, test, production environments, you can easily move your customizations over from one to the other. All right, let's talk about machine learning. So Fusion Analytics customers can already take advantage of the AI-powered augmented analytics features in OAC, because OAC is included. But we're building advanced analytics features that are optimized for specific business use cases in the Fusion applications. So for example, in ERP analytics, we're working on machine learning models that can predict the risk of late payments in customer and vendor invoices. In HCM analytics, we're working on diversity analysis that will uncover exclusion biases, let's say, in recruiting or promotions or compensation in an organization. All right, that was a lot. Let's take a look at Fusion Analytics in action in a real-world business environment.
I'm Emily Sikowski with the Oracle Analytics team. Today, we're sharing a short demo showing you where Oracle is taking analytics so you can move beyond asking what happened to predicting the future of your business.
Uh-oh, we have a predicted shortage.
Okay.
Take a look.
It's a classic story. Social reviews turn a product, in this case a scooter, into the hottest thing for the holidays. New demand is great, but with the strain on global supply chains, it also creates challenges.
Oracle, show me total actual and predicted revenue for scooters, but not mopeds for the last 2 years.
That's an impressive spike. If we can meet the demand for the holidays, we'll have a lot of happy customers.
Oracle, also show me a stacked bar chart by product with predicted revenue and profits for this year. Yep, the Ultra is the most profitable.
So what revenue is at risk if we can't execute?
Well, let's see. We've got a lot riding on the Ultra.
It could definitely put us over the top this year.
But what's inventory look like? Oracle, show me orders and inventory for just the Ultra scooter.
Wow, I don't think we can get enough scooters from China in time.
We should go take a closer look.
All right, let's do this.
Okay, see here, back orders and fulfillment lead times have been rising. ML predicts high demand in all scenarios. Let's do this one and solve for 45,000 units at 50% confidence.
Okay, I already know new orders will take months, plus ocean freight is slow and expensive right now. Can you ping Vic?
Okay. Hey, Vic, the Ultra is selling through the roof.
Hey, Sandra. Hey, Luis. Guess we weren't prepared for this.
Nope, we're gonna miss out on a lot of revenue if we don't get more product.
Well, I might have an idea. Here, let me share. I'm wondering, maybe we could convert other models into Ultras. Check it out. You see, these are the scooters that have a lot of overlapping components. The digital display is really the only thing that's unique. Hey, Oracle, show me current and planned availability for Demons, Electrics, and Ultra products in the US by month.
And where's the inventory?
I gotcha. Right there. Okay, so between Seattle and Memphis, we have an inventory of about 95,000 Demons and Electrics.
Good, that's enough to meet our forecast for all 3 models. So what about the Ultra displays?
Take a look here at my analysis for display suppliers. So Jancorp in Mexico doesn't have the lowest unit cost, but they are solid on delivery time. And just because I can, let's look at their inventory and capacity.
Looks like they can turn around all the displays we need.
Okay, now let's figure out where the people are who can do the conversion. Check it out. Dynamic skills in HCM Cloud. It shows electronic assembly skills in Austin and Phoenix.
But the candidate pool from Recruiting Cloud shows that Austin's much better in case we need to add extra people or shifts.
Let's go with Austin then. Luis, order those displays.
Doing it now. And I'll ping Austin to get the ball rolling on conversion.
All right, awesome.
Awesome.
Let's keep our eyes out for updates.
Talk soon.
Great work.
So that was a quick look at where Oracle is taking analytics. You saw new ways of working with data. You saw machine learning predict shortages and show revenue opportunities. You saw Sandra use her voice to create dashboards and review her entire business in seconds. And you saw Luis take action from his business applications without ever leaving analytics. These innovations give you new ways to work, and they transform data into a resource you can use to predict the future of your business, capitalizing on opportunities you could never have imagined before. And best of all, you don't have to imagine them, because with analytics, you can see them.
Hey, Oracle, show me inventory for helmets.
Fusion Analytics has been growing rapidly over the past few years, and we've been humbled by some of the customer success stories we've been hearing. Now I'd like to share one such story. This is Fusion Analytics customer, Graham Corporation.
Graham is a global company. We provide critical equipment for the energy, defense, and petrochemical industries. It's a lot of the large oil producers. So one of the big challenges that we were facing was we wanted to look at specific information that was located in the Oracle Cloud. And in order to do that, we'd have an analyst pull that data out and put it into spreadsheets. And setting that up was taking hours and hours each week. And so now that we're using this CX Fusion Analytics, I mean, we can just click a button and all that data is right there. It's saving us hours of work, and it's a lot more accurate than before too. The automation in Oracle CX is about 5 times faster, and it produces a lot more accurate results than we were doing manually. The big reports that we do are a sales report. It's a monthly sales report, and we have calls on it weekly. We're able to find out, when the project is closing, what the likelihood of us winning is. So because of the time savings that we've had in the Fusion CX program with the automation, we're able to focus a lot more on different opportunities that we might not have focused on before, and some of those are larger. And so we present that off to our executive management. They're able to review it. They're able to get a little bit more detail out of it than our previous reports that we were doing in Excel. Being a publicly traded company, this information is very important to those executive level people. They're able to get this information out of our meetings and from the CX Fusion Analytics and be able to take that to the board to be able to make overarching decisions for the company.
Oracle Analytics has been getting positive recognition from a number of industry analysts. Gartner has recognized us as a visionary. Forrester, IDC, BARC, and Nucleus Research have recognized us as a leader, and we're very grateful for all of this recognition. A few years back, we launched the Oracle Analytics Global Leaders Program. These are folks who are innovating with Oracle Analytics within their organizations and creating a data-driven culture. They engage with the product team and give us valuable feedback that helps us improve our products. And most importantly, they share their learnings with each other and help create a vibrant Oracle Analytics community across the globe. Now I'd like to invite one of our global leaders, Derek Hayden from Outfront Media.
Hey, Derek.
Hey, Derek. Welcome.
Thanks, TK. Thanks for inviting me.
Hey, Derek, how about we start by you sharing with the audience a little bit about your journey with Oracle Analytics so far?
Sure. We started about 8 years ago when we became a newly independent company and had a lot of new reporting and analytics needs. So we needed something that was going to add value very quickly. We're truly a born in the cloud analytics organization. We've been in the cloud since day one. We chose Oracle Cloud for our data warehouse and visualization tools because it was very foundational. We knew we could succeed with it, and we knew it would grow as our data needs grew.
That's awesome. So, Derek, I know that you've been on the cutting edge of adopting the latest and greatest technologies in Oracle Analytics and OCI data platforms and so forth. How has really all of this contributed to your analytics success?
Well, I mean, when I look back at the 8 years, we've evolved as a data and analytics practice, and OAC as a feature-rich platform certainly has aided that. We're able to showcase ideas to our analytics customers very quickly, and that helps with adoption. This year, we leveraged OCI to create a data lakehouse that'll allow us to take advantage of services like integration, data management, AI, machine learning. And the great thing is, now our user community comes and says, I have a crazy idea. And we say, okay, let's do it. Let's try it out.
That's awesome. It's great to see all of the innovation that you guys are doing with analytics. But how does that translate into business success at Outfront Media? I mean, how is the business benefiting from all of this?
Yeah, I mean, OAC has become the window into the company. It's transformed our data delivery and consumption. And I mentioned to you, we had a little hiccup this morning. The CRO texted me saying, "Hey, what's going on? What's going on with the data? I'm looking for contract revenue." And he's in it immediately. He's a big adopter of that. So we've certainly matured from a traditional reporting platform, traditional reporting roles, to a role-based dashboarding delivery. And we've had a lot of success with media spend analysis, contract pacing, yield and pricing dashboards, and geospatial themed projects for real estate. And last year with our senior sales leadership, we created a visual performance management project, which is essentially a weekly sales meeting that's sourced from our data warehouse. And it allows our CRO to go to any market and run a sales meeting with minimal preparation.
That's awesome. So Derek, I know that you've been part of the Global Leaders Program. I think you were one of the first customers to join the program.
I'm the jumping guy on the slide. That's me.
So can you talk a little bit about how this the partnership as part of being the Global Leaders Program has what's that experience been like?
It's awesome. I mean, this is a really passionate peer community. The product strategy team really fosters the program, the Global Leaders Program. We meet monthly to share our success stories. We meet. I get to see what other people are doing and think about things the way that maybe I hadn't before. The annual analytics summit always recharges my batteries a little bit, and I usually get my next crazy idea from what I see at the summit. The other thing is the access to the product teams. We influence the product roadmap and have been for over the 8 years. And I think it's really unique among our technology vendors to have that much access and influence. Product teams come and they understand our real world use cases, and it really helps improve our OAC experience.
Yeah, that's awesome. We love having you in the Leaders Program. So, I mean, you're always kind of pushing Oracle Analytics and the OCI data technologies to the limits. So I'm curious, what's next in your plans? What are we going to see from you next year?
I mean, the directive to my team for next year is to stop focusing on delivering just data visualization and start delivering data stories, including narrative and context. And I think OAC already had a lot of things in there that we could use, but I think you announced some new things, new features that are going to come. So we're really excited to take our analytics paradigm to the next level next year.
Well, Derek, I want to thank you for joining us here at CloudWorld and for all the amazing work that you're doing and being a part of the Oracle Analytics community. And we look forward to collaborating with you in the years to come.
Great. Thanks a lot, TK.
Thank you, Derek.
Appreciate it.
All right, let's summarize what we've seen today. Oracle Analytics is the best analytics solution for the Oracle Cloud. If you're using OCI or Autonomous Database, OAC gives you modern AI-powered analytics backed by enterprise-grade security, governance, and scale. With new innovations like Auto Insights, AI services, and Semantic Modeler, backed by the OCI Data Lakehouse platform, you can build sophisticated analytics solutions on top of your entire data estate. And if you're a Fusion Applications customer, then Fusion Analytics gives you a SaaS solution that you can use right away and customize to meet your business needs as well. I encourage you all to give Oracle Analytics a try if you haven't already. Let us know what you think, and please join the Oracle Analytics community and our Global Leaders program. The Fusion Analytics Innovation Sprint is a great way for you to try out the product before making a purchasing decision. These innovation sprints run 10 days long. The goal is to have you come up with 10 KPIs up and running in 10 days. And if you're interested, contact Matt Garibaldi or scan the QR code. And finally, please join us at the various Oracle Analytics sessions here at CloudWorld, or join us at the booths at the Expo Hall. We look forward to seeing you there, and thank you all.